Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Lisa and you're watching Yogi Hollow Farm. Today we are enlarging the turkey coop door because it was originally meant for chickens, but now that we have turkeys, the door is a little small, and I'm going to show it to you right now. So that's the door, what it looks like now, and we're going to make it larger because, as you can see, these guys and girls have grown up and are getting quite large. So we're going to give them a bigger door so they can get in and out. Oh, perfect. That looks so good. Now they have a much larger door, which works out well. And we don't need to put a door on it yet because it's still warm enough, but we will be putting a door on it for winter that slides up and down. We've got a latch here that we use to hook it in, so we'll do that at a later time. Now that we have the turkey door done, we have to figure out, well, not figure it out, we have to fix the electrical fence because the big pigs have pushed dirt and rocks up against it and it's shorting out. So Ryan's down there now trying to figure it out. And there's the pigs right there. I can't get any closer to them for now. Working? It's off. What about by Sherman where it was touching the fence?
Nothing.
So Ryan got the fence wire all cleared, and we think that it drained the solar battery because it kept shorting. So we're gonna leave it off for a bit, which it wasn't working anyway, and we will let it charge up some more and see if we're good then. If not, we will figure it out, right? That's what you got to do. Roll with the punches. Anyway, just wanted to do a real quick update video on the turkey door and the fence. This is what we do every weekend. So thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you liked today's video, and feel free to subscribe, share, and like. Take care.